Now the question is that like where exactly this comparison is actually getting into picture, because are we sending the old content and the feedback to the AI tier, the OpenAI, or we are only doing it locally, like using the libraries that you mentioned? I'm not clear on this. If you can elaborate.
Can you just rephrase it? I think there are a couple of things there. If you can rephrase, I will be just to give you a heads up. You have the
Yeah.
JSON here file here, which contains the topic and the content, right? As well as the outcome like feedback and user comment, right?
Yeah.
Uh, right. And here in this code, it is continuously trying to improve improve the query to OpenAI, the prompt, like you can see here. Uh,
Huh?
it was a second.
It's a based on the feedback, it will try to
Ah,
improve, and it will going to look into the JSON file, or it will go into the OpenAI and it will get an contents from there. That's what is the question. Is that right?
right. So, based, yeah, I think there's one piece here. Yeah. So you saw the previous code where there, right? Based on the user
Uh-huh.
input, it will continuously, it will try to update the prompt. You saw that, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. So that I saw. So my
Uh,
question was that let's say the first version is actually generated for Diwali, and now you
uh,
said that, well, the rating is 2. So far I understand that you have provided that, and it is recorded in the JSON as an additional
hmm,
input. Now the question that I had was that if it has to improve, it
hmm.
obviously needs to consider that JSON. But that's exactly my question. Who is actually taking this JSON, which contains only one data point, which is the rating as 2, which just means that it's not good. But what exactly is happening thereafter? Is it going to the AI tier and saying that, well, the feedback is to do something to improve it, or is it like going to sklearn and basically asking it to improve? Because I'm not very clear on this.
Got it. Got your question. So, uh, it stores, look at this JSON, right? It stores topic. It knows the mapping, okay, the linear regression right? It is able to create a model which knows the formula. If this is if this is the topic and content, like if I write those things here,
Yeah.
right? It knows the
Uh-huh.
formula. Just a second. Hmm. If I can draw it, it will be a little easier to understand. Is my drawing screen clear?
Yes.
Okay. So you have a linear regression model here,
Mhm.
which takes two input. One is topic plus content. Okay, whatever it generated. And it knows rating. Okay. This is the two information that this guy's feeds, this guy feed on. Okay. And what is the output here? These are so once you are training this linear regression model, is just this is the x variable, right? Input,
Mhm. Mhm.
right? And this
Yeah.
is the y,
Yeah.
right? So you are training this that it is for a particular topic and content, it is able to predict user rating. Once you're training this guy becomes capable of that. Okay. Once the